How to earn money by making PowerPoint presentations. Best freelance jobs which is legit, free and worldwide. So in today's video, I will show you that how you can make money by just creating and building or making PowerPoint presentations, and then you can make money online with that. So it will be almost from 1,000 to $1,500 a month you can earn, and that is that much simple. Though our channel is gain money in tricks, and we are showing to people to gain and earn the money, and as well as the tricks that you can make easily the money. So in today's video I will show you that how you can make money with PowerPoint presentation, and also the trick that you can make money with PowerPoint presentation very easily, even if you don't have the skills of creating and making PowerPoint presentation. So stay with me to the end of this video. I will show you that how you can use that trick to make that much easy by just creating PowerPoint presentation. And so before starting the video or before starting the main method, I would like to remind you that we do have other videos on making money online and getting passive income from the internet or online source. So you can definitely visit to our channel and check out our top playlist and make money online. You can also find the top playlist in the description of this video to make money online with that. So let's jump into the main website, and I don't want to waste the time. So let's jump. The main website is called, that is a new platform, an excellent platform which the competition is less and which is absolutely free and worldwide, means from any corner of the world you can use. This website name is No More Platform. No More Platform is an international website, means from any country, any region and any uh, area you can use, and you can start working on, you can make money online with that. So actually, simply, you can create high quality PowerPoint presentations for large companies in Europe and in the US, working from home at times that suits you from any corner of the world, which is absolutely free and worldwide. So how you will do that? That's pretty simple. You can simply choose how you are working from 0 to 10 hour working hours per week, means how many hours you are working per week. So 10 to 20 working hours per week, or 20 to 30 working hours per week, or 30 to 40 working hours per week. So it depends on your time and depends on your money, that how much money you want to make online with this platform. So the more hour you work, the more money you will get. So that is that much pretty simple. And there are levels. So on levels, they are giving you the money. So you can choose the level here. For example, level 1 at USD per hour, level 2 at dollar USD per hour, and this is 3, 4, 10. So in the fifth level, you can even get $10 per hour work. Okay, that is that much simple. And project with surcharge, as you can use the percentage of that, and it is that much simple. And as estimation, as I told you, per month you can earn $1,000 to $1,500 very easily. So if you work 20 to 30 hour work per week, which is the average hours if you work per week, or you are at level 5 or something like that, and you get 5 to 10% projected surcharge, so then you will get this much money. For example, $1,000 and 50 $100,050 and $1,550. So per month you can get, and you can simply, once you choose this, you can click on the sign up. They will require your name, your email address, and they will, then you will send you the verification email, and you can also upload to you can verify that. That is that much simple, and you can just simply go off here. For example, how it is working or simple, the work is very simple, and you can just use, for example, here, create a high quality PowerPoint. That is that much simple, and you can make money online with that. So simply turn existing low quality slides into high quality presentation using client guidelines. I mean, they will give you just, for example, like this presentation or this slide, and you can just convert it to this high quality looking. So you can just change it to that, and then you can send to your client and they will pay you the money. That is that much simple. And I will also show you the trick that how you can get that. And if you want come to the benefits of this, so what are the benefits? The benefits are very simple and very easy because they are paying you highest payment in a month, means on a monthly basis they are paying you the money. And average project application time is, for example, takes 40 seconds after you apply for if you get a project or not. So means it only take 40 seconds that you will be aware that I get this project or not. When you bet on the project, then you can simply look to less than 1 minute to that, and you will be we will be sure that I get this project or not. And another thing is that is fixed pay, means you can simply fixed hourly pay on all the projects. They said we want you to be focused on providing quality work, not worrying about how cheaply you can deliver. The purpose is that means you should not think about that I should just give a small low cost to my client and they will accept my project. That is not the case. You can give high quality content. In that case they will accept your project. So the main thing is that the quality, that you should give the best quality to them. So that is the main thing. Another thing is that you are not just going to apply on each project. When you select the project, see the project details, and then after that what it suits you, then you can make money. Or sorry, you can just apply to that project and then you can make money with that. That is that much simple. If we come to the stories, that people's stories that they have presented, so you can just, for example, that is that much simple, or how it's working, it's that much simple. You can just click on how it works, and this page will come. Number one, registration and IQ quiz. So the first time when you registered, as I told you, that you need your name, your email address and password and other things. After activation, they will require your IQ quiz. IQ quiz is very important. That will just take a minute or 2 minutes or something like that. So then you can short about 5 minutes. Actually, 5 minutes. Sorry for that. That will take 5 minutes. The IQ quiz. Then you can just practice. They will give you another test. You can just practice on that. Once you practice on that, then they will take the test. So that is another test after IQ quiz. So they are giving you all the solution here. It doesn't matter. It is very easy and you can complete in a minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It is will take less of time. So in fourth case, or in the fourth category, if you pass onboarding, means if you pass that test, then you can simply execute project. Means you can have the project and work on the project, and the sixth position or the sixth stage you will get paid. Means salary is paid once a month via verified PayPal. If you want to check how much money you have earned, you can always check on the platform. So it is pretty simple and straightforward. That sign up for this website and you can make money online. Many people are asking me that, is it working in Nigeria? Is it working in Nepal or something like that? So my answer for them is that this video is totally free, worldwide, and legit, that you can make money online with that. Anyone can sign up for this website because the competition is also low. It is not like Fiverr and other thing. And PowerPoint presentation is very in demand nowadays because most of the people in the world they need, but we don't have another platform like this one that which create PowerPoint presentation. So this is the only platform that it is presenting or having the present PowerPoint presentations online. So it's absolutely a free freelance website. You can just sign up with this and you can make money online with that. So now it is the time to show you the trick, that how you can use that trick. So simply you can visit to google.com. Once you visit to google.com, type this simply icon ad. Once you click on the icons ad, so this website will pop up to you. So you can simply create your website, your sign up with this, or if you don't want sign up, no problem. So whatever you need or your client need from you, the design of presentation, you can simply write here. Okay, for example, once you write here, for example, the presentation, or for example, PowerPoint presentation, okay, or you can just write complete name of that. Okay, you can use PowerPoint presentation, or for example, what presentation or what about the presentation is about that. So you can simply write the name of that. Once you click and you can search on that, once you search it, another page will come there like this one, and will show you all the designs and all the PowerPoints, which will be free of cost and you can use for yourself. So PowerPoint presentations, you can select here. Once you select here, for example, I need this one, you can click collection, or you can simply click here. You can, once you click, another page will come, means the presentation or the PowerPoint presentation will be open to you. So then you can simply click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, you can use for your PowerPoint presentation that the person needs from you, which is absolutely a free way, and it is excellent way to make money online with that. So you can just see different designs and different way to make money online with that. They are not only showing you the PowerPoint presentation, they are also showing you the photos, vectors, music, load, Nasi, forums, and icons if you need to use in your PowerPoint. So you can simply use from this website. I can add, it's absolutely free, and you can make money with this website too. Okay, so this is the whole review for no platform, and this one I can add. So I will leave you the link in the description of this video. Just find out the link in the description of this video and sign up for this brilliant website. If you like the video, please hit the like button and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, even full-time jobs or part-time jobs. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, we will be notifying you. And if you want more, please visit our channel for more brilliant videos on making money online. And comment me below, please, if you, what program or what software or what website you are using for making PowerPoint presentation. Even if you don't know, so simply write I don't know or I don't have. So simply write in the comment section. Till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.